Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. The North Korea-linked exploiter who targeted WazirX has converted the majority of $230 million stolen user assets into Ether, totaling $200 million. Well, the Bitcoin or rupee-denominated trading pair was down 22% in the past 24 hours compared to other local bosses such as CoinDCX and ZepPay, where prices were down 2%. The Shiba Inu rupee pair is down 30%. Well, WazirX's own WRX token is down 40% in the past 24 hours. WazirX blamed a mismatch between a digital interface and a major crypto wallet for triggering the exploit, despite having 5 signers from the exchange on a wallet that stored user assets. So the stolen funds accounted for over 45% of total reserves cited by the exchange in a June 2024 report, effectively dampening hopes of a recovery among users. Banned crypto mixer Tornado Cash has witnessed a surprising uptick in the deposit volume in the first half of 2024, despite ongoing sanctions and continued legal strife for its founding team. According to data from Flipside Crypto, Tornado Cash has received some $1.9 billion in deposits in the first 6 months of this year, a 50% increase from the total sum of deposits throughout 2023. The Office of Foreign Assets Control officially sanctioned Tornado Cash in August 2022 after it was revealed that North Korean hacking consortium Lazarus Group had used the protocol to launder around $455 million in illicit funds. More recently, one of the confirmed wallet addresses used in the $235 million hack of Indian crypto exchange WazirX on July 18 was funded by a way of a Tornado Cash deposit. ETHFI's state-owned bank Casa Depositi e Prestiti pair has just completed a $27.2 million digital bond issuance with trillion-dollar investment bank Intesa Sanpaolo using Ethereum Layer 2 Polygon. The transaction was part of a trial conducted by the European Central Bank to identify new solutions for central bank money settlement of wholesale transactions carried out on blockchains, Intesa Sanpaolo explained in a July 18 statement. Well, it was the first transaction of its kind since Italy introduced its fintech decree law, which governs the issuance and circulation of financial instruments in digital form. So Casa Depositi's $27.2 million bond will mature over 4 months, terminating on November 18, 2024, and offers a fixed coupon at 3.63%, calculated on an annual basis. Intesa Sanpaolo was the sole institutional investor in the trial. The cash flow was settled the same day via the Bank of Italy's TIPS hashlink tool that allows interoperability between blockchains and traditional payment rails. US-based AI firm OpenAI announced the launch of a new generative AI model dubbed GPT-4o Mini on July 18. According to a blog post from OpenAI, the new model is an order of magnitude more affordable than previous frontier models and more than 60% cheaper than GPT 3.5 Turbo, while GPT-4o Mini is essentially the cost-effective version of current top-of-the-line consumer model for OpenAI's flagship product ChatGPT. For OpenAI, the trade-off between power and performance are minimal, and despite operating with a much smaller energy consumption footprint, GPT Mini does not appear to be lacking. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Pixelverse, a non-fungible token and gaming platform on the Open Network, launched its native token ETHFI in a much-anticipated airdrop on July 18. The token, which is listed on several centralized exchanges, has seen a 50% increase in the first hours after listing and approached approximately $200 million in fully diluted market cap. Pixelverse airdropped 10% of ETHFI's total supply to holders of its rare, epic and legendary NFT collections and plans to distribute another 20% of its tokens to Pixelverse and Pixel Chain users over time. Bitcoin retail investor demand has reached its lowest point in 3 years, with the average monthly change in demand for Bitcoin tickets down $64,286 among retail investors, falling below negative 15% over the past 30 days. CryptoQuant founder Ki Young Chu stated that the real bull run typically begins with massive buying volume driven by retail investors, suggesting that an uptick in retail investors generally boosts market sentiment. However, Vaneck CEO Chan Vaneck told Cointelegraph that the majority of inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States are likely from retail investors. ETHFI, an AI and blockchain-powered network, will offer the first live streaming competition for the Esports World Cup in Saudi Arabia. The competition is powered by ETHFI AI processors and AI agents, allowing users to mint NFTs, predict eSports World Cup, Counter-Strike tournament outcomes, and earn rewards. The initiative marks a significant milestone in ETHFI's mission to transform the way we interact with live content and streaming. Also, participants must mint an NFT through the Metaverse HQ campaign on ETHFI's website, which will be considered an official entry. By participating, players not only earn Airdrop points and mint a special edition ETHFI eSports NFT, but also participate in the first live content predictive market powered by ETHFI. In May 2023, the Jordanian government commissioned the UNESCWA to draft a national blockchain policy for the country. 1 year later, MODEE launched MODEE-TLT to improve e-government services. The network, developed by Jordan-based BlockXC, aims to enhance trust and transparency in governmental services. It will be integrated with Jordan's government portal SANET, providing a decentralized and verifiable digital record of all transactions. And this initiative aligns with Jordan's digital transformation strategy and supports its goal of a robust and trustworthy digital economy. Shiba Inu has seen a significant increase in its burn rate, with nearly 50 million tokens sent to a null address in the past 24 hours. Now, this could potentially increase SHIB's value by creating scarcity. Over 41% of SHIB's total supply has been destroyed, which could lead to increased value if demand remains consistent or grows. Shibarium, a layer 2 scaling solution introduced less than a year ago, has been identified and has also shown significant improvement in metrics such as active accounts and new transactions. Despite a dip, Shiba Inu has performed well over the past year, with a 125% increase in price and 52% of holders enjoying paper profits. Ether.Fi, the largest liquid restaking protocol by TVL, is starting its third phase of its airdrop after claims for its Season 2 went live. The token increased by 2% in the hours after the airdrop claim went live, but then dropped 4.6%. ETHFI is now down 71% from its launch day on March 18 and now sits at a fully diluted value of $2.2 billion. Season 1 and 2 account for 11% of total token supply. Ether.Fi plans to distribute to users including holders of ETH or WEETH and holders of the Ether.Fan NFT. Season 3 will run from July 1 to September 14, distributing an additional 2.5% of token supply. Ether.Fi is a liquid restaking protocol that allows users to stake ETH and receive natively restaked ETH in the return, which can be used in compatible protocols in DeFi. So that's all in the bulletin today. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.freeworldstv.io or scan the QR code.